Club Med Cancun sits on a stretch of Caribbean coastline that most travelers research by price alone, but here's what the booking platforms won't tell you up front. This is an all-inclusive resort where major renovations are scheduled to begin in fall 2026. That timing matters more than you might think. If you're booking for late 2026 or beyond, you'll want to contact Club Med directly, understand exactly which facilities will be under construction during your stay, and whether any areas will be closed. Construction noise, blocked-off sections, and limited amenity access can turn a dream vacation into a frustrating experience, especially when you've paid all-inclusive rates expecting full access to everything the property offers. On the flip side, if you're traveling before fall 2026, you're getting the current version of the resort at what might be its final pricing before post-renovation rate increases kick in. That's the kind of practical intel that changes how you approach your booking calendar. The resort operates under the Club Med brand, which means the all-inclusive model is baked into the experience. You're not getting nickel and dimed for every meal, drink, or activity. The property sits directly on 3 pristine Caribbean beaches, which gives it a significant advantage over Cancun hotels that share crowded public beach access or face seawalls. Having 3 separate beaches means you can move around depending on wind conditions, crowd levels, or whether you want calmer water for swimming versus more dramatic waves for atmosphere. There's also a natural lagoon on site, adding another water environment that's distinct from both the ocean and the pools. The Caribbean Sea here isn't just a backdrop. This stretch of coastline sits near the world's second largest coral reef, and there are more than 30 dive sites within accessible range of the resort. That's not a generic claim about Cancun as a destination. It's specific to the underwater geography surrounding this property. If you're a diver or even a serious snorkeler, that proximity to diverse dive sites means you're not spending half your vacation on a boat getting to the good stuff. You're in the zone already. The natural lagoon on the property also offers a different kind of water experience, typically calmer and shallower, which works well for families with younger kids or anyone who wants to float around without dealing with waves or salt. The location also puts you within reach of Mayan cultural sites, though specific distances aren't documented. Cancun's position on the Yucatan Peninsula means you're genuinely close to significant archaeological zones, not just tourist trap reconstructions. The combination of reef access and Mayan proximity gives the resort a dual appeal. You can structure days around underwater exploration and others around cultural immersion, all from the same home base. That's harder to pull off in many beach destinations where you're either near ruins or near reefs, but rarely both. Because the official website wasn't definitively identified in the research, and because third-party platform data is sparse, there's a lot we can't confirm about room categories, dining venues, or specific amenities. What we do know is that Club Med operates on a village-style model, where the all-inclusive structure is designed to encourage movement around the property rather than locking you into a single restaurant or activity. The brand's approach generally emphasizes communal spaces, group activities, and a social atmosphere, which appeals to some travelers and feels too structured for others. If you're someone who values total autonomy and privacy, the Club Med model might feel a bit like summer camp for adults. If you enjoy meeting other travelers and having a built-in social framework, it's a feature, not a bug. One verified guest review describes the resort as a good choice, just not great. That's not a damning critique, but it's not a ringing endorsement either. It suggests the property delivers on the basics without necessarily wowing anyone. In the all-inclusive space, that middle ground experience often comes down to food quality and activity variety. When every meal is included, the difference between good buffet execution and mediocre buffet execution becomes glaring by day 3. When activities are bundled, the difference between enthusiastic, skilled instructors and board staff going through the motions shapes your entire week. Without more detailed guest feedback, it's hard to pinpoint exactly where Club Med Cancun lands on that spectrum, but the good, not great assessment suggests it's competent without being exceptional. The upcoming renovations starting in fall 2026 could shift that equation entirely. Renovations at all-inclusive resorts often focus on dining venues, pool areas, and room updates, all of which directly impact guest satisfaction. If Club Med is investing in modernizing the property, post-renovation experiences could be significantly better than pre-renovation ones. But again, that's speculation. What's confirmed is that the work is happening, and if you're planning a trip that overlaps with construction, you need to manage your expectations and possibly negotiate a rate adjustment or credit for inconvenience. The 3 beaches are a standout feature because beach quality in Cancun varies wildly depending on where you are along the hotel zone. Some stretches get pounded by waves and accumulate seaweed. Others are narrow and crowded. Having 3 separate beach areas means the resort can offer variety in conditions and crowd density, which is a practical advantage when you're spending a week somewhere. You're not stuck with one mediocre beach option. You can explore and find the spot that works for your mood or activity level on any given day. The natural lagoon adds another layer. Lagoons are typically protected from ocean currents, which makes them ideal for paddleboarding, kayaking, or just wading without getting knocked over by waves. If you're traveling with kids who aren't strong swimmers, or if you want to try water activities without fighting the ocean, that lagoon becomes a key asset. It's also a different ecosystem, so you might spot birds, fish, or plant life that you won't see on the open beach. Access to more than 30 dive sites is a huge draw for anyone serious about diving. Cancun and the surrounding Riviera Maya are known for cenote diving, reef diving, and even underwater sculpture parks. Having that many sites within range means you're not doing the same dive repeatedly. You can explore different environments, depths, and marine life throughout your stay. Even if you're not a certified diver, many of these sites are accessible to snorkelers, and the visibility in this part of the Caribbean is generally excellent. The Mayan cultural sites nearby add a dimension that pure beach resorts can't match. The Yucatan is home to some of the most significant and well-preserved Mayan ruins in the world. Day trips to these sites give you a break from the beach and pool routine and add educational and historical weight to your vacation. If you're traveling with older kids or teenagers, that mix of beach time and cultural exploration can make the trip feel more substantial than a week of lounging by the pool. The all-inclusive model at Club Med means your costs are largely fixed up front. You're not dealing with surprise charges for meals, drinks, or most activities. That predictability is valuable for budgeting, especially for families. But it also means you're committed to eating and drinking on site for the duration of your stay, so the quality and variety of food and beverage options become critical. If the dining venues are repetitive or the food quality drops off, you're stuck. You can't just walk down the street to a local restaurant without effectively paying twice for dinner. Because detailed information about specific restaurants, bars, room types, and facilities isn't available in the provided data, we can't walk through those elements with the specificity that would normally anchor a video like this. That absence of detail is itself informative. It suggests that either the resort's online presence is underdeveloped, or the property is in a transitional phase ahead of the renovations. Either way, if you're considering booking, you'll need to do additional research directly with Club Med to get answers about room configurations, dining options, activity schedules, and how the fall 2026 renovations will impact availability and access. What we can say with confidence is that the location delivers on natural assets. Multiple beaches, a lagoon, proximity to world-class diving, and access to Mayan cultural sites. Those are the bones of a strong vacation experience. The question is whether the resort's execution, service quality, and facility upkeep match the potential of the setting. The good, not great guest assessment suggests there's room for improvement, and the planned renovations indicate that Club Med recognizes that gap and is investing to close it. If you're booking before fall 2026, you're getting the current version of the property with all its strengths and limitations. If you're booking during or after the renovation period, you'll want clarity on timelines, which areas are affected, and what compensation or alternatives are offered if construction disrupts your stay. Post-renovation, you might be looking at a significantly upgraded property, but until those updates are complete and guest reviews start reflecting the changes, it's hard to predict the outcome. The all-inclusive model works best when the property offers enough variety that you don't feel trapped. 3 beaches, a lagoon, access to 30-plus dive sites, and proximity to cultural excursions provide that variety on paper. The execution, staff quality, food standards, and activity programming determine whether that variety translates into a genuinely engaging week or a series of missed opportunities. Without detailed guest feedback or comprehensive facility descriptions, we're left connecting dots based on location, brand identity, and the limited reviews available. For travelers who prioritize diving, the resort's position near the second largest coral reef in the world and access to more than 30 dive sites is a compelling reason to choose this property over others in Cancun. For families, the combination of beaches, a lagoon, and the all-inclusive structure offers simplicity and cost predictability. For couples or groups looking for cultural enrichment alongside beach time, the proximity to Mayan sites adds depth. The upcoming renovations are both a risk and an opportunity, depending on your travel dates and how well Club Med manages the construction process. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.